Hi, Carl here with Hi-Rail, and this is an engine SR with our brand new chilled bed accessory. This is compatible with all past engine standard resolution, and it also works with our Hydra 21 and our System 30M. So if you have one and you think you need a chilled bed, all you have to do is contact us and we'll be happy to talk to you. All right, so the way this works is we have disconnected the old hotbed that this is mounted to, and we plug this into this upper connector here. That provides us the power that we need to make this work, and simply we will enable now the power, and in a few seconds this will turn on. It's turning on now, so you can probably see it booting up. And now it's initializing, that's why it reads 0 degrees, about 4 seconds to make enough readings. And now it comes on to the previously set temperature of 1 degree C, and you'll notice that the temperature is going down. Once it achieves this temperature within half a degree, it'll cut back for energy savings and stability. So Paul helped us do this, and we had quite the adventure figuring out what the heat sinks and the profiles and how much current. And it turns out it's very well behaved, and we're very happy with the final result. If you decide you would like a normal hotbed operation, it's just 2 screws, and you move back the head flat flex cable to underneath, and now you're using it normal mode. And you're about to hear the fan start cutting out because we're going to throttle back. We're down to 2 degrees already. And now you'll hear the fan cutting in and out as it approaches the program temperature. So that's the duty cycle that we're using. Okay, there is one other little trick. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to go over here. And if I would like to choose a different temperature, first I will set my temperature by pushing the red arrow. Red arrow moves it up. So let's say we want 5 degrees centigrade, and we want that to be our default when we first power up. The state of this display is saved in the settings. So I'm going to turn it on now. So it's on with 5 degrees. You push the little symbol that says Hi-Rail on it, and come over here to settings, and at the bottom it says save and reboot. And now it says saving and rebooting. It'll turn itself off when it reboots. And give it a few seconds because it has to reload its software. Then it's going to recalibrate the sensors. It's recalibrating the sensors now. As soon as the readings are stable, which is about now it comes on, and you'll notice that it's going for 5 degrees centigrade. This is the power on default. What that means is, since the G code is enabling the power, if you put in M140S5, it means I would like to have 5 degrees. We ignore the temperature that you're giving it with the code. We're just looking to turn it on or off, but that's a good place to start, 5 degrees. So M140S5, and what that'll do is programmatically turn on the power. And then this will automatically come up to whatever you saved it as. So let's prove that. We're going to turn it off. There's no power on the system now. I can even turn it off and back on again, which I'm doing. It's off. The tablet stays on its own batteries, but has nothing to do with anything up here. Now I'm turning it back on. All right, and now I'm going to come back and I will turn this on. You'll see the display come back on. Thank God for the capacitor we put in the right place. And now you'll see that it's initializing its calibration, and bingo, now it's going to start cooling. So all you need to do is just what you normally do. M140S5, that turns on this chilled bed. In 10 seconds, it will be cooling down. It's already to 8 degrees, almost at 5 right now. So 20 seconds is all you need to wait to start your print. Maybe 30 seconds if it's slow like me. At the end, when it sees a M30 or an M140S0, that will turn off the power again. Or if you ever have an emergency and you hit the reset button over here, or the kill button, So let's go to the kill button right here. Give me one moment. Status. Well, it would be nice if the status worked. There. So if you're running and you hit the kill job, that turns everything off. And then it turns it back on. Now it's trying to restart. So the kill job will turn off momentarily. You will have to go and manually turn this off, or if you hit reset, it should kill everything and should leave it off. Let's just see if that works. Stay off. Okay. Reset will guarantee you turn it off. If you hit kill job, it turns it off momentarily. If you come back and turn it on now, 5 seconds from now, it'll power up. 5 more seconds, it will. Yeah, now it's powering up. 5 more seconds, it'll finish calibration. And then it should turn back on because that's what we told to do. All right. I hope that helped everybody. It was nice introducing this to you. And have a wonderful day.